Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you. Hivello, an early new project in the DePIN space with huge potential. The best part is that there is an airdrop coming very soon that you don't want to miss. This project allows you to mine 8 different tokens, and in the future there will be support for even more tokens. The app only takes a few minutes to set up, so it's very easy to get started. Let's dive in. Hivello is a platform that brings together multiple DePIN projects into one simple app. It allows you to earn from different networks without the hassle of maintaining them separately. Instead of installing multiple applications for different tokens, Hivello lets you run everything in one place, making it easier to track your earnings and manage your devices. With Hivello, you can turn your unused devices into passive income with just a few clicks. It's super easy to set up, no technical skills needed, and it works on Windows, macOS and Linux. You'll get an all-in-one dashboard to manage everything, track your earnings and see your performance in real time. Plus, if you join now, you'll earn Hivello points that you can redeem for the Hivello tokens in the upcoming airdrop. The team is fully documented, active and has a lot of experience in the space. I will leave the link to the Hivello website in the description, so if you want to learn more about the team and see their LinkedIn profiles, you can also check the link in the description. Getting started is very simple. I will leave the official guide in the description, and I will also leave my referral link in the description for you to get started. Your earnings will depend on a few key factors: your hardware performance, the number of devices you run, and your contribution level and activity. The application will automatically scan your computer and recommend the best projects. So if you have a very slow computer, you will be able to run maybe only 2 or 3 projects, but if you have a better computer with a higher end GPU, you'll be able to run all of them. The best part is that even if your computer has only one available core, 1 GB of RAM and only 500 MB of free disk space, you can still get started and earn Hivello points for the Hivello token airdrop. Other than the Hivello points, you will also be able to earn tokens from 7 different projects. Mysterium, a decentralized VPN and privacy network. I won't be using this one because some time ago I saw in the news that some people were using Mysterium for illegal activities. You can manually choose what projects you want to run or not, and I will show you that later in the video. Golem is a platform for decentralized computing. LivePeer is a decentralized video streaming infrastructure. Filecoin is the leading decentralized storage network. EOS focuses on edge computing and decentralized content delivery. Sentinel is a secure decentralized VPN, and Nosana is a platform that helps developers automate and speed up software updates using decentralized technology. I have been following Hivello for a long time. When I first looked into it, they had only 4 projects, but now they are already at 7, and the list keeps growing. In the near future, we can expect even more projects, which means more earning opportunities for everyone using the app. The Hivello Airdrop is your chance to earn a good amount of tokens just by participating early and contributing to the network. You can collect Hivello points through mining, referrals and activity, which you'll later be able to redeem for the Hivello tokens during the airdrop. To qualify, you just need to create an account, run the node, and you can also refer some friends to earn even more points. The TGE is coming on the 11th of February, so it's coming very soon. You'll be able to redeem your rewards after the TGE. The native token will be HVLO, which will operate on the Solana blockchain. The initial market cap will be only $2 million, and the fully diluted valuation will be $45 million. If we take a look into the token allocation, you can see one of the most important parts is the 25.23% dedicated to ecosystem incentives. This means that a significant portion of tokens is reserved to reward the community and users like you. This is not financial advice, but after I get my portion of the airdrop, I will not be selling any tokens because there are multiple advantages to staking the Hivello token. By staking tokens, you will increase your tier and you will get higher earnings, exclusive rewards, and priority access to new opportunities. If you don't stake any tokens, you will still be able to earn rewards, so don't worry, you can still use it 100% for free. But if you stake, you can get up to the tier 4, which will give you increased rewards. But for now, we still don't know the amount of tokens we will need to stake. What I know is that the more you stake, the more you will earn. So holding the token and staking will be probably a smarter move if you think in the long term. But like I said before, this is not financial advice and you can do whatever you want with your tokens. The dashboard is very simple to use and understand, and as you can see here, you will get 225 points for every day that your node is online. So maintaining a high uptime will be very important. The app will be hidden on your taskbar. You can press it anytime to open and see the earnings. You can also turn off all the applications you don't want to be running on your computer. In my case, I will choose to turn off Mysterium nodes. Nowadays, it's getting very hard to keep up with all of the latest DePIN projects, and Hivello makes it much easier. In the near future, I hope to see more projects running on Hivello, making it even easier to track your DePIN earnings. If you have any issues or need help with anything, you can send me a message on Discord and Telegram. I will leave the links in the description. For today, that was the video. Thank you a lot for watching and see you next time.